In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make pages on Card. To get started, head to your Card dashboard and click New Site. This opens the template chooser where you can either start with a blank canvas for full control or pick a preset to move faster. Across the top, you'll see tabs that group different template styles. Take a moment to browse through Profile, Landing, Form, and Portfolio to get a feel for the layouts and content blocks each one emphasizes. For a site that behaves like it has multiple pages, switch to the Sectioned tab. These templates use sections and navigation to mimic pages, which is perfect for an About area, a work gallery, a contact form, and more under one clean design. When you find a layout that matches your goal, click Select. You'll drop into the builder to make your edits. Click on any text to rewrite headings and body copy, swap images or icons, and adjust colors, fonts, and spacing in the panel on the left. Use the existing sections as your pages, rename them for clarity, and link the navigation to each section so visitors can jump exactly where they need. If the template includes forms, update the labels and destinations to fit your needs. Keep changes incremental so you can see how each tweak affects the overall look and flow. When everything looks good, click the Publish icon. Add a clear title and a concise description. These appear in browser tabs and social previews and help with basic SEO. Under Action, choose what you want to do next. Publish to acard.co URL if you want a quick hosted address right away. Publish to a custom domain if you already have your own domain and want a branded URL. Save as a template if you plan to reuse this layout for future sites, or save as an offline draft to keep working without pushing anything live yet. Finally, click Save to confirm your choice and finish up. That's it. Your multi-section Carrad site is ready to share.